Supermarkets, warehouses, and trendy coffee shops are common high-ceiling areas that need Enerlites high-bay ceiling sensors for energy-efficient lighting control. At a maximum height of 50 feet, the MPC-50H and MPC-50HD will accurately detect motion within the 30-foot radius of the sensor. These sensors are customizable, allowing for adjustments of detection range, time delay, and ambient light to fit individual needs. Additionally, the MPC-50HD can connect to and control dimmable ballasts, or LED drivers, using 0 to 10 volt dimming technology and offering 4 selectable operating modes. With the proper installation and mode selection, this controller operates in compliance with local energy codes. By investing in Enerlites high-bay ceiling sensors, users can significantly reduce high energy costs while ensuring the illumination of all spaces for safety. For installation onto a high-bay light fixture, you will need simple electrical tools: a Phillips or flathead screwdriver, depending on the light fixture, a wire stripper, and a voltage tester. Start by turning the power off at the circuit breaker. Remove the light bulbs and any access covers on the light fixture and use the voltage tester to verify the absence of live wires. Determine where the sensor will be installed. Typically, you want an unobstructed view of the floor below, so the ideal location is on the bottom or side of the fixture. There should be knockouts on the high-bay light fixture. Remove the desired knockout from the light fixture. Pull the wires through the knockout and secure the sensor to the light fixture with the connector nut. Place the cover back on and thread the wires through the access port. Use wire nuts to connect all the neutral wires together. Connect the red wire from the sensor to the black wire on the light fixture, and connect the black wire from the sensor to the hot wire from the line-in. If you are connecting the MPC-50HD to a dimmable ballast or LED driver, connect the 0 to 10 volt low voltage wires, the gray and purple wires, on the sensor to the terminals as indicated on the ballast or driver. Tuck the wires on the sensor into the housing and twist the sensor to lock it on. Tuck the wires in on the light fixture and install the access covers and light bulbs. Turn the power on at the circuit breaker. Adjust the settings and install the extended range lens if the height of the sensor is above 10 feet. Use the high-density lens if the height of the sensor is at 10 feet or below. To learn more about Enerlites lighting control solutions, visit Enerlites.com today.